Designed from the ground up, the FlowTop GS has achieved optimum performance at minimum total cost with easy and quick maintenance. Available in globe-style design with integral flanges designed to B1634, it is available in sizes from 1/2 inch to 6 inch, class 150 to 300 with a diaphragm actuator. The positioner can be mounted directly to the valve. Design features include PTFE packing as standard, with optional PTFE live loaded to ISO 15848-1. A robust bonnet design. Seat retainer clamps on the seat ring with no threads for easy removal. Standard shutoff that's better than Class 4 and no lapping required. Zero leakage between the seat and body for less maintenance. A stainless steel packing follower. Stable post guiding for no galling in the flow area. Precisely machined contours on the plug head, providing optional reduced trims. Excellent flow characteristics. And a high flow globe valve body. To find out more about the FlowTop GS, see your FlowServe representative or go to the link on the screen.